Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify biometric authentication with Android BiometricPrompt step by step clearly. To verify biometric authentication using Android's BiometricPrompt, start by setting up your development environment. Ensure your development platform is Android Studio and your SDK is up to date. Create a new project or open an existing one. Add the necessary dependencies in your app's build.gradle file to use the BiometricPrompt library. Import the relevant biometric libraries in your main activity file. Check if the device supports biometric authentication using the Biometric Manager. Query the current biometric authentication status. Use the BiometricPrompt builder to create a new instance of BiometricPrompt. Set the appropriate title and subtitle for the authentication prompt. Provide a description that informs the user about the authentication process. Specify the negative button text, which allows users to cancel the biometric operation. Attach a callback to handle authentication events, such as success or failure. In the success callback, process the information or actions required after successful authentication. Handle any errors in the failure callback to inform the user of authentication issues. Initiate the authentication dialog by calling the Authenticate method on your BiometricPrompt instance. Make sure to implement the appropriate fallback mechanisms for users who cannot use biometric authentication. Test the implementation on a physical device to ensure it works correctly. Verify that the authentication prompts appear as expected and behave as designed. Review the user experience and make any necessary adjustments based on feedback. Ensure your application complies with relevant privacy and security standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.